In this video, you'll learn how to create a quiz in Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll have a fully working quiz you can share with students, colleagues, or anyone you'd like to assess. Let's start from the very beginning by opening Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser, or by opening it from your Microsoft 365 app launcher if you're already logged into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you want the quiz to be saved so you can easily find and manage it later. Once Microsoft Forms is open, you'll see options to create different kinds of forms. What we want here is specifically a quiz. Look for the option labeled New Quiz and click on it. This tells Microsoft Forms that you're building something that has correct answers and points instead of just a survey or a feedback form. Choosing New Quiz unlocks features like automatic grading and point values, which are really helpful if you're using this for teaching, training, or knowledge checks. After clicking New Quiz, a blank quiz will appear at the top. You'll see a space to enter the quiz title. Click on that area and type in a clear descriptive name so your participants know what the quiz is about. For example, if it's for a particular topic or chapter, include that in the title. Just below the title, you'll see a spot for a description. This is optional, but very useful. In the description, you can explain the purpose of the quiz, any time limits they should be aware of, whether they can only submit once, or any special instructions like answer all questions before submitting, or choose the best answer for each question. Providing a short, clear description helps reduce confusion and sets expectations before anyone begins. Now that your basic quiz information is in place, it's time to start adding questions. Look for the button or link that says Add New and click it. Each time you click Add New, Microsoft Forms will let you choose a question type, such as multiple choice, text, rating, or others, depending on what's available. For quizzes, multiple choice is often the most convenient, but you can mix different types if that suits your needs. When you add a question, type your question text clearly, and if needed, add answer choices or space for a written response. As you add each question, you'll also want to assign the correct answers and point values. This is a key part of turning a simple form into an actual quiz. For multiple choice questions, you'll see options to mark which choice is correct. Select the correct answer and then look for the area where you can assign points. Enter how many points that question should be worth. You can keep all questions at the same value, like 1 point each, or vary the points based on difficulty or importance. For text-based questions, you may be able to specify correct responses or decide to grade those manually later. Go through each question you add and make sure you've set the correct answer and point value before moving on. This will allow Microsoft Forms to automatically score the quiz once participants submit their responses, saving you time and giving instant feedback if you choose to show scores right away. Once you've added your questions and assigned correct answers and points, your quiz is ready for previewing and sharing. You've successfully created a quiz in Microsoft Forms.